this haircut really fits me.
I'll fit it. I'll join you.
Mo join you. Who said? So this is Hannah, HR. This is Sandra, Community Hub Manager. This is the coolest intern. Hi. Dolapo. This is Dolapo, Senator Dolapo.
You're not capturing my face well.
Thank you.
We will ensure that Lagos State is good democracy.
Right. So today,
are you ready now? Can we take my?
what do you want to do, sir? Do you actually want to be nice?
You like me?
It's not you. Yes.
Don't like.
It's not you.
You like my
So on this day, I had video recordings of some of the startups we're working with for a project, and because they had not come, Dolapo came in, sat to kind of, let's use him to test the audio and the video, and he had a few things to say. This was just like a feel good moment for us. It was like the icebreaker, so that we can get boiling into the main work. Like, we're about to break it down when it comes to work. So Dolapo had a few things to say, so I just kept on recording. Then at some point I said to come and look for trouble, which is what you see now.
Okay, so on this note, the airtime has finished. Lagos State is broke.
Which one Lagos State is broke?
So airtime has finished. See you next time. Democracy.
Hi, my name is Charles, and I am founder CEO for CS Control Nigeria Limited. It's a startup, and we are into trading and farming of soya beans.
So at the time we're running program for startups. These are all startup with agri-tech ideas. So this is one of the sessions with one of the facilitators, and it was of course a very amazing moment. This ran for 2 weeks, and boy did your girl want to die. Like, having a program every day for 2 weeks, 2 straight weeks. It was crazy, but everything is all part of a learning curve. One of the reasons why I actually like where I work at, every new week is something new, every new day is a new challenge. So yeah. So later that day, we had a photo shoot. That's Lekon. You guys have seen it before. We had photo shoot for staff, like headshots. And this is Doing, one of the coolest members on my team, taking charge of photography. So I'm just behind the scenes, looking at the pictures and kind of coordinating to ensure that they come out well. This is TJ looking. So like I said, this program ran for 2 weeks, and this is the final day where all the startups will come and pitch their ideas, and the winner will be chosen. This is Michael, who won last year's edition.
Getting wilder, don't care if I get out alive.
Divisional head, transaction banking, FCMH, tell us. Put your ticket up.
Okay, hello everyone. Why is the voice so low? Hello everyone. How are you doing? Okay, so
do you guys remember Komiyo from my old vlogs? She was the event decorator. She's just being naughty. She was the event decorator, and she did an amazing job setting the mood. She was talking about she was tired. And so this is Mariah. Mariah, what do you do?
communications end-to-end.
What does that mean?
I handle social media, write blog posts, and monitor events.
And this is Chiamaka.
Hi everyone.
What do you do?
I'm the Program and Partnership Support Officer.
This is Jide. I'm making a video. By the way, I make YouTube videos, so you just see yourself on YouTube. So this is Jide. So today we are at Radisson Blue.
VI. Very important.
Okay, the VI one.
Yeah.
For a program share. Funny enough, I feel like now I want to be open with my business so that my helper can see me with my job. So these ladies have done an amazing job putting together the event. Especially this. So part of our job, especially comes department, was to get this designed and printed. I have the coolest graphic designer on my team.
Victor, shout out to Victor.
And this is Chiamaka. And this is from the baddest event planner, which ties in with our Greek and our logo for the year. Yeah. So let's start like. So overall, I think we pulled together. I see my eyeshadow. I took my time this morning. So today, I think we put together an amazing event. I'm going to show you what inside looks like. I didn't do an intro. I'll probably do an intro.
And an outro.
I'll probably do an intro when I'm going home, Sha. So that is it. That's what I do for a living. I do social media, organize events, do branded items, get the baddest event planners to get us a green carpet. And Moreno gets the baddest DJ to set the mood. So that is it.
So today I'll be featuring in Damie and Alabi's YouTube video. Yeah,
It's like when you're doing. I want to tell my mommy and my daddy, my brother and my sister.
Yeah, I want to tell them that today, finally, they're having the demo day. Yeah, I'm going to sleep. But I know I'm only going to sleep tomorrow because
Monday is work, right?
Don't worry, I'm a Catholic psychic. I love my church.
This video we are doing. What am I? What?
It's going. What? It's going live. What are you saying? 2016. Okay.
Let's try.
Who is twerking? Who is this? Is that how they used to dance in your village?
Okay, so all our work, all our 2 weeks effort, now this is the final day. The winner has been chosen and we're taking pictures. Well, they were taking pictures. We don't usually get in front of the screen. And after this is when my own work actually begins. So I got press. At this point, I was ensuring that, the videographer and photographer were getting the important clips with the, important people, the press people, newspaper, radio, were, getting the right interviews with the right people, as you can see here. So yeah, that was when I started working more. This is the winner, Agro Band, and they got a cash prize of 2 million. This is Press. This is Rainbow FM with Osas. This is Femi, the coolest guy ever. Do you believe this man married? So yeah, that's basically what I do for a living. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry I couldn't bring you in to work. I couldn't give you a full clip, but I think you kind of understand what I do and where I work. And thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.